Ni kwamba kwa sasa hivi muungano wa Wakristo wakiwemo miungano ya wanafunzi pamoja na viongozi wa makanisa mbalimbali wanatoa taarifa kwa vyombo vya habari kuhusiana na mageuzi ya katiba na uongozi humu nchini. Tuvuke moja kwa moja tuwasikize.
To the BBI process. 4. Investigate and prosecute any persons who incite the public against one another. Mediation for peace during the referendum and 2022 general elections. This National Christian Conference recalls that in 2005, a divisive referendum was held 2 years before the general elections, and the result was a devastating wave of post-election violence. As Kenyans, we need to do all we can to prevent a similar occurrence. Key in this will be separating the politics of the referendum from the politics of 2022 general elections. We have resolved to continue working with our fellow faith leaders in the dialogue reference group at national and county levels to mediate for peace before, during, and after the referendum and the 2022 general elections. We urge all Kenyans to reject any leaders who foment conflict and violence in their communities. Recognizing the importance of all Kenyans being involved in any discussions and processes that touch or affect the Constitution, we restate the importance of dialogue and consensus building. The Constitution is too important to be made the subject of conflict and political competition. We conclude by calling upon all Kenyans to pursue paths that lead us to peace, unity, and a better Kenya, and to avoid paths that lead to conflict and discord. We all have a collective responsibility to work for peace and unity, and this should be embraced in the discussions surrounding the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020. We also ask all Kenyans to take time to pray and fast for the nation, always referring to the words of our national anthem, O God of all creation, bless this our land and nation. Justice be our shield and defender. May we dwell in unity, peace, and liberty. Plenty be found within our borders. We wish all Kenyans a Merry Christmas and a blessed year 2021. Signed on behalf of KCCB, CJPC, Right Reverend John Obala Owa, and Reverend Canon Chris Kinyanjui, General Secretary of NCCK. Thank you.
Good. May there be any questions so that we can take them? Okay.
Na mtazamaji, hiyo ni kauli ya kanisa kuhusu uongozi na siasa, haswa kuhusiana na marekebisho ya katiba kupitia vuguvugu na msukumo wa ripoti ya upatanishi BBI.